Education is the passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. This quote by Malcolm X highlights the importance of continuous learning, especially in dynamic fields like agile project management. Certifications such as Certified ScrumMaster (CSM), PMI-ACP, and SAFe Agilist demonstrate your expertise and open doors to new opportunities. In this lecture, we will explore these certifications, the skills they validate, and how they align with different career paths in Agile. In this lecture, you will understand key Agile certifications CSM, PMI, ACP, and SAFe Agilist. Learn how these certifications enhance career growth and align with Agile roles. Identify which certification might suit your career goals and interests. The Certified Scrum Master (CSM) is one of the most recognized certificates in Agile. The Scrum Alliance offers it and it's ideal for those aspiring to work as Scrum Masters or team facilitators. What it covers: Scrum principles and practices, rules, artifacts, and events in Scrum, techniques to facilitate Agile teams and remove impediments. CSM is perfect for those who want to focus on team level facilitation, such as Scrum Masters, Agile team members, or project managers transitioning to Agile. This certification aligns with roles that emphasize team collaboration and process improvement. For example, a certified Scrum Master might work with the software development team to ensure they deliver high quality increments each sprint. The PMI-ACP, offered by the Project Management Institute, is a versatile certification that covers a broad range of Agile methodologies, including Scrum, Kanban, Lean, and XP, Extreme Programming. What it covers: Agile principles and mindset, adaptive planning, stakeholder engagement, and risk management, multiple Agile frameworks and practices. This certification is ideal for professionals who want a broader understanding of Agile beyond Scrum. It is a great fit for project managers, program managers, and team leads who work across multiple Agile frameworks. PMI-ACP aligns with roles requiring strategic overview of Agile practices. For instance, a PMI-ACP certified professional might lead Agile transformations or manage projects involving hybrid Agile and traditional methodologies. The SAFe Agilist certification, offered by Scaled Agile, focuses on applying Agile practices at the enterprise level using the Scaled Agile framework. What it covers: implementing SAFe principles in large distributed organizations, leading Agile release trains, ARTs, and program increment, PI planning, scaling Agile practices across teams and portfolios. This certification is designed for managers, executives, and Agile coaches working in large organizations where multiple teams collaborate on complex projects. The SAFe Agilist certification is well suited for leadership roles such as Agile program managers, SAFe consultants, or portfolio managers. For example, a SAFe Agilist might oversee an Agile transformation in a global corporation, ensuring alignment across multiple departments. Choosing the right certification depends on your career goals. CSM is best for those focused on team level facilitation and collaboration. PMI-ACP suits professionals managing diverse Agile projects or working with multiple frameworks. SAFe Agilist is tailored for leadership roles in large-scale Agile implementations. Certifications also signal commitment and expertise to potential employers, making them a valuable addition to your resume. Think of Agile certifications as passports and visas for your career journey. The passport certification verifies your identity as a skilled Agile professional, while the visa specific certification grants you entry into particular roles or industries. The right certification can open doors to new opportunities and accelerate your career path in Agile project management. Research one Agile certification of interest: CSM, PMI, ACP, or SAFe Agilist. Write a short analysis covering its benefits, the skills it validates, and how it aligns with your career aspirations. Agile certifications like CSM, PMI, ACP, and SAFe Agilist provide a structured way to validate your skills, deepen your knowledge, and advance your career. Remember, certifications are not just credentials, they are tools to help you grow and thrive in the dynamic world of agile project management. Let's discuss which certifications resonate with your goals and how they can shape your professional growth. That marks the end of this lecture.